won't believe what happens when ancient secrets are unboxed. Let's dive into history with this astonishing discovery. Imagine stumbling upon an intricately carved stone tablet, hidden for centuries, revealing the daily life of an ancient civilization. These artifacts tell us how people lived, their beliefs, and even their secrets. From ancient Egypt's hieroglyphs to the Mayan calendar, these relics are time capsules of knowledge and mystery. It's like opening a time-traveling treasure chest. Which ancient secret surprised you the most? Let me know and hit subscribe for more historical discoveries.